O'Reilly Law Group is a motorcycle accident law firm in Las Vegas, Nevada that helps clients recover compensation for injuries caused by the negligence of others through civil lawsuits. For those who have been injured in motorcycle accidents, bicycle accidents, truck accidents, and auto accidents, our experienced motorcycle accident lawyers provide free case consultations. Call our motorcycle accident attorney to get free case consultations. Are you looking for a motorcycle accident lawyer near me? You can stop looking. You found O'Reilly Law Group. Do I need a motorcycle accident lawyer? A skilled attorney can help you get fair compensation for a motorcycle accident. You may be entitled to compensation if you were injured on your motorcycle or hit by a car. Are motorcycles responsible for damages? When a motorcyclist is injured, the other driver may be liable for damages. To file a successful claim, gather all necessary information. What is your service area for the Las Vegas, Nevada Law Office? Our local motorcycle accident lawyers have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Las Vegas, Winchester, Spring Valley, Downtown South, Summerlin, Henderson, Reno, North Las Vegas, Paradise, Sunrise Manor, Spring Valley, Enterprise, Sparks, Carson City, Whitney, Pahrump, Winchester, Sun Valley, Charleston, Green Valley, North Nevada. Where is your Las Vegas, Nevada motorcycle accident law office located? We are located at 325 South Maryland Parkway, Las Vegas, Nevada 89101. Our phone number is 702-382-2500. Visit our website, www.o'reillylawgroup.com.